Tonight, we are bringing comfort to the table with a simple, flavorful, hard-baked fish. And here are the ingredients. Here, we have our whole fish. Then, for the ingredients, lemon, salted butter, garlic powder, black pepper. Then we got, here is the dill, very fresh, and then fresh parsley, and then our thyme. Start by prepping your herb butter, finely chopped fresh parsley, dill, and thyme. These bring the bright aromatic flavors that complement the fish perfectly. By adding salt, garlic paste, and squeeze lemon juice, the acidity brings a really very good complement in seafood. Let's incorporate this butter, our herb butter, and then drizzle some olive oil. It's going to melt over the fish as it bakes, creating something magical. And here is your fish. Now your fish is cleaned. You need to clean your fish well. We just get rid of the gills, and it's already scaled out, so it means it's really fresh. Then let's make our folds around that fin. We just do like we are trying to debone it, but not cut it fully. We just do it on both sides so that we create these folds that will put our butter into it and incorporates really well. Then let's just make some shallow cuts, some edges on that, so that our marinades and hard butter will go into it and infuse with the fish, right? Then I really like the taste of the garlic powder because it has got that smoky flavor. And then let's add a little bit of black pepper onto both sides. Yeah. Lay your fish on a parchment lined tray or on a board and generously coat them with that hard butter. Make sure it's get into every fold and edge. If you love this recipe, don't forget to hit that subscription button below. For the remaining herbs, stuff into the fish, and trust me, this will be your daily to-go recipe. Now our fish is ready to get into the oven, which we have already preheated it. And as you can see, I'm just going to activate your good food, good mood, guys. So let's take it into the oven for around 25 to 30 minutes for the temperature 190 degrees Celsius, and you're gonna get the best results. Wow, look at that, crispy outside, soft inside. I love this, man. I love this. Look at it. The results are not disappointing, guys. Now it's time to plate it up with some baked potatoes. Alright, moment of truth. I'm calling in the real food critic, my wife. And I can already tell her moods switch on just from the smell. Those herbs are working overtime today. See that? We haven't even served it yet, and she's already in that butter, herbs, aroma, parsley, dill, thyme. It's impossible to resist. Look, that flaky, hot. The herbs are really incorporated really well.
Woo! Okay.
And there it is. The nod. We have got the approval, folks. Wow. For good food, good mood. Guys, don't forget to subscribe if you love this recipe. Yeah, and see you in the next video. Bye. For good food,
Good mood.
see you next time on the recipe, man.